Well, hello there and welcome to the week 5 review for ART30. So for me this was the final week. I'd love to hear how you've got on with your counting your days up. And yeah, I suppose there were two things happening for me in this week. Firstly, I was leading up to the launch of a collection of new work, so I had to do lots of computer stuff. I kind of mentioned a bit of this in some posts earlier this week. So yeah, so there was a lot of kind of uncreative stuff to do that happens around making art if you're a kind of working artist. But I also very happily was able to kind of get sidetracked, if you like, into extra collage sessions and making some of these, let's see if you can see them, some little collages. So I decided it would be nice to do something because I realised that for me making art is partly about the whole process of discovery and creation, but it's also about sharing that work and connecting with people through the work. So I thought it would be lovely to make some of these little artworks, can't tell yet, and make them as gifts. And yeah, for me they're fun because the ceramic work takes a long time and there's a lot of kind of thought and development and process work involved in it, but collage is very free, it's very quick. And these pieces, they come from the same point of inspiration, they use the same ideas, but they happen in a kind of more playful way. So I'm still kind of experimenting with combinations of forms. I'm still drawing on the same associations, but it's working more intuitively and more freely. And all of that's possible because of the kind of previous steps that I've taken in terms of that kind of research and development of the familiarity with the ideas. So there's a kind of base knowledge of kind of deep knowledge of my material, and that allows me to be very free when I'm doing this collage. So yeah, it was great to be able to squeeze some of those into the week. And overall, yes, what was my score? My score for week 5 was 15.5 stars. Here they are. Still loving a gold star. And yeah, so that takes me to my 30 days. So well done me. And I'd love to hear if you've got to your 30 days yet. I did say there was going to be a reward if you did that, and that is a special frame that you can put on your Facebook profile picture so that everyone can see that you've done it. So I'll share it on mine in the group today if I can get around to that, and you'll be able to see how that works. So yeah, that was week 5. What happens next? So if you've already hit 30 days, do comment and let me know, and I can share the frame with you so that you get your reward as well. If you get it in the next week or 2 or 3 or 4, you've got 60 days in total to complete your 30 days of art. So as soon as you've got to day 30, do let me know and I'll get your reward to you. And if you're kind of fired up and feeling enthusiastic about creativity and wanting to use these kind of longer summertime days, at least here in the Northern Hemisphere, for doing some more art, perhaps going a little bit more in depth, then look forward to something that I'll be announcing very soon as a kind of weekend workshop that I'm planning to help you to get more in depth and kind of work out your sense of direction for what comes next and get you into this point of very free and relaxed and easy creativity. So do let me know how you've got on with your ART30 and look out for the weekend workshop. The details of that will be coming soon. Bye for now. Take care.